Salitral at Catty Ranch Wildlife. Catty Ranch Wildlife Sanctuary is a non-profit organization located at 1860 Estara Road in Jacksonville, Florida.
And all during the year, we are open to the public for day and night tours. Please check our website for exact dates and more
Due
information.
to COVID-19, opens every day from 1 to 3 and every Friday and Saturday from 6 to 8 for night
It's
feeding.
around 550 pounds.
Was founded in 1985 and it provides a safe, loving forever home for endangered big cats such as tigers, lions, and pumas.
Look at him balance, my goodness.
Oh,
You
wow.
know, backwards.
Oh my God.
Kelly.
You know, I've never seen him do that, but I have read that some tigers don't like to get their eyes wet.
Helen.
Oh, that is amazing.
The tour lasts about 45 minutes. It currently has 40 big cats. Daytime tours admission is adults $12, children $5, and 2 and under are free. Catty Ranch is improving its animal enclosures by building more natural habitats with enrichment features. It also is putting in an educational building, veterinary medical facility, improved parking, and a stormwater management system. This is a great place to experience and see these majestic animals close up. Well, that's all for today, amigos. Bye-bye. Mwah.